Hi guys, welcome back to Mama SOG vlog. How you guys doing? If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video. My people, today news na about Sunday Igboho and his wife. My people, for a lot of them, I will not be saying I don't know. This one a little bit good news for the Oduduwa people. My people, no be smart, you know. Sunday Igboho and his wife go to court, and after they go to court, they no release Sunday Igboho. But they finally released Sunday Igboho wife because they thought Sunday Igboho never commit any crime. So they leave Sunday Igboho wife, make it go peacefully. So they no hand over them, give Nigeria government. So they can adjourn the case of Sunday Igboho till Friday 23, which is today. Now they will come go court for Sunday Igboho matter again. To come look whether they go release Sunday Igboho or they go see Olam there. So now today, then they go decide down. But for Sunday Igboho wife, they don't release them. And this one a very good news for the Oduduwa people because the Benin Republic really shows say they really know what they happened. And because many Yoruba people will be say they did for Benin Republic, they stand for Oloye Sunday Igboho. When they say they talk say compulsory, they must not hand over Sunday Igboho, give Nigeria government. And Sunday Igboho and his wife 9-1, you know, and go Germany together at the same time before the incident happened. When we say they can't arrest Sunday Igboho and they can't still arrest his wife. Now both of them now they gather arrest because and I remember that time say as Olokpa go, they won't go arrest Sunday Igboho for us before they don't meet Sunday Igboho. They've got arrest in agitators. They arrest Sunday Igboho wife before they can't drop her for road. They arrest Sunday Igboho wife before they can't drop her for road. Now this the wife will be say they live for Germany. So now still the same wife after they don't pack their paper. Now still the same woman. Now follow Sunday Igboho go Cotonou, make them foresee chance to take escape, enter Germany. Unfortunately, the Benin Republic people immigration can't stop them because of the pali way they Sunday Igboho and say Sunday Igboho na forge and I do now you go do the pali with money where they can't carry put for hand and they let us know say if like say the pali say no be correct one like say na one kind fake pali 9 days Sunday Igboho and say no be still original and if they say that's still original one how Sunday Igboho can't get them. My people make a read wetin they write for news about Sunday Igboho and his wife. My people, Benin Republic has ordered the release of Rokpo, the wife of Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho. The court order are released after a hearing on Thursday. However, Igboho was returned to the custody of Brigade in Cotonou, Benin Republic. This is as the court adjourned the case involving the Yoruba rights activist till Friday 23, 2021. Igboho and his wife Rokpo were arrested at the Cardinal International Airport, Cotonou, while trying to catch a flight to Germany. The Punch was told that Rokpo was released after the court found out that she had not committed any offense. Yes, she had been released. The national chairman of Ilana Omo Oduwa, Prof. Wale Adeniran, said while confirming her release. My people, hope I don't hear my people say they don't release Sunday Igboho wife, and this one a very good news. And many people see they talk say when everywhere they hot like this, Sunday Igboho wife not supposed come to Nigeria by this kind of time. We no say in husband self many times one of the house they don't burn them. And many times we say they don't try their best to arrest Sunday Igboho, they no succeed to arrest Sunday Igboho. So for Sunday Igboho wife to come out by this kind of time, it did somehow. So me I pray say as they release and so make their documents still correct, make them go back to Germany because hey, you know it really dey easy. Person will be say don't they live for abroad and at the end of the day person will not do anything because he come greet your husband and they'll come carrying documents and this document not be saying that Nigeria government no being get them. They just carry everything lock off for one place just because they thought say Sunday Igboho they do rallies. So if Sunday Igboho they do rally, me say na your wife. So all this kind of thing e get how it be my people. So my people, this one are very very good news to the Oduduwa people and are they happy for Sunday Igboho himself say they don't release the woman because e no even dey easy for woman to dey go from one set to another. To dey go from one set to another, e no easy for woman. But for man still dey strong small. So na on today 23 July so na dem talk say dem go decide whether dem go release Sunday Igboho or not. And me I get 100% sure say dem go release Sunday Igboho because nobody, they never still see any crime wey be say Sunday Igboho commit. Because Sunday Igboho, all the thing wey dem put for Sunday Igboho na just like allegations say dem talk say Sunday Igboho do this, which they no get any evidence. And all the thing wey you say they talk say dem meet for Sunday Igboho house, they no video when they pack am comot for Sunday Igboho house. The only video na when they reach the office, they see the way they pack am comot for Sunday Igboho house for the weapons, which the weapons, the Yoruba agitators talk say some of the weapons are for the same DSS people and their escort people wey follow them come. So no be for Sunday Igboho. So they just dey find any way to take get evidence against Sunday Igboho. And me, I still pray make they release those Sunday Igboho boys wey be say they arrest, and Lady K wey they arrest, wey they put for Abuja there, wey they never even talk their matter at all. Because they just want to sit down on top of those people matter. No be say Lady K key person, no be say Lady K do anything wey be say really dey wrong. Only say Lady K dey agitate for Yoruba nation. Say make Yoruba people make dem no suffer again. Now because of that one, now they can't go do wetin, they can't go arrest Lady K, come put her for inside there. Which it no make sense like that. So may Nigeria government, all this Nigeria DSS, may not still release this woman wey they call Lady K, because it's not easy for am. We never see what he do, because the people wey commit the big crime, when I leave them, they work out for street. Now na carry that lady wey they call Lady K, and put her for inside that inside prison there, where we say she no do anything to her. So make una release this person, my people, and Yoruba agitators, some of the Yoruba agitators so still under the DSS for Abuja. And Benin Republic, God go bless una, make una leave Sunday Igboho. God go bless una. As una no carry Sunday Igboho and your wife hand over and give Nigeria government. So my people, now this one I get to talk for this matter. I hear this news now, to make a carry and share and with una. Make una let me know what you on a think for the comment section. And if una never subscribe, me not subscribe. On a bye bye till I come on a next time. Bye guys.